Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, what I'm going to tell you, this is quite surprising in the world of IELTS. Sometimes you appear in IELTS exam and when you get your result, you are not happy with your result because you strongly believe that you deserve better band score. In that situation, there are two options. Either you apply for IELTS test again, you retake the test, which is painful, expensive and all that. The second option is EOR, Inquiry on Results. One of my students from Bangladesh, when he received his IELTS result, he was not happy with his writing and speaking band. They gave him writing 5.5 and speaking 5. Now, he was confused why 5.5 and 5. So he had watched one of my videos. I've made several videos on EOR. He had watched one of my videos and then I sent him that message where there are 11 points to consider before applying for EOR. So he went for that, and after this re-evaluation, his band score changed from 5.5 to 6 in writing. See that? And his band score also changed in speaking from 5 to 5.5. And now at least this half band increment increased his overall band score also, and he can actually apply. If he needs 5.5, he can go anywhere. Now guys, you might have noticed whenever you appear in IELTS test, first of all, your writing and speaking, they are marked by local examiners. Writing is marked by their team. But when you apply for EOR, EOR is marked, or re-evaluation is done by senior Cambridge examiners. So if you deserve, they always give you, they always increase your band score. I've made a message, there are 11 points to consider before you apply for EOR. Text me on my WhatsApp and I'll share that with you. Thank you. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.